sure you do chapter 21 notes. Chapter 21 notes. Yes, they've been great. So chapter 21 notes. Also, we will have a quiz tomorrow. Yay, and there was much rejoicing. All right. Okay, so for those of you who are not getting your notebooks and are participating, thank you. What is the equation for capacitance? For the behavior of a capacitor? There you go, Q over V, right? What is another equation about capacitors that has energy, that relates to energy? Okay, so we can say that the potential energy stored in a capacitor is 1/2 CV squared. Or you could say that it's 1/2 QV. Either one of those works. Now, if you said W, that's the same thing, because this is the amount of work it took to put those charges on there. Once the charges are there, they have this much energy, however you want to look at it. Okay, so now what I can do here is I can just solve these. I guess I could say, I could take this one and say, so this is that PEC. So I could say Q is equal to 2 PEC over V. And I can stick that in there. So I'm going to get something like 2 PEC over V squared. And that should give me my answer. So it's 2 times 1 joule over 12.6 squared, 12.6 volts squared. What do you get when you do multiply that out? Something like 2/1/75. I don't know what do you get? 0.126. 0.126. Point zero. Oh, so it's 0.0. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it 0.0126?
Yeah, I just...
Cool, 0.0126, and that's for the capacitance, so it's going to be an F. What does F stand for? Farads, named after Mr. Faraday. Now, if I know that's the capacitance, then I can use this equation to go right back and say since C is Q over V, Q will be CV. So I take my 0.0126 farads, multiply it by 12.6 volts, and I should get the coulombs. What does that go out to be?
Hold on, sorry. Wait, what times what?
0.0126 times 12.6. 0.158 coulombs. So it's just a function of looking at what relates. I mean, basically, this is a function of using Gaia from the beginning of the year. What's asked for, what am I given, what equation matches.
Oh, I was like, what are you technically out about?
Yes.
Everything like everything.